Lara, 𝐷𝐿ARA1961, Twitter, @Lara1961, Instagram, �CruiseGenius.com. Cancun Airport Terminal 4. So here's the gauntlet. Now, I usually don't come into Terminal 4 because I usually come in on like Southwest or Delta, but this is Terminal 4 where you've got Frontier and some of the other budget airlines. So let's see about the gauntlet and see how bad it is. Hey guys, how you doing? Wave. All right, they're my buddies. All right. Hey, oh, chicas bonita, chicos bonita. Adios, chicos bonita. Here's the gauntlet. All right, here's the guys here. And look, they're not coming out, they're not harassing anybody. Vacation club. See here, this is pretty good here. Hey guys, all right. So the gauntlet's not bad over here at Terminal 4. Welcome to paradise. Now let's come out here. Let's see where my guy is to take me to. Okay, like I said, it's not too bad. I can take my mask off now. I think we're outside. Okay, they do want you to wear the mask in the airport, though. Let's go this way. Terminal 4. Now, I flew in on a Wednesday, so it's a lot better than coming in on a Friday or a Saturday. So it's a lot better. Okay, let me bounce. Hey, well, let's stick with me. Why not? Hey guys, how you doing? Good to see you. TRS. I'm going to TRS. Traffic tours.
On the right side.
On the right. Thank you, my friend. I like him. He said go to the right. So see how nice he was. See, that's what you're supposed to do. Oh, get over here. Try to drive my thing here on something. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. I was on a trip, I forget what airport where I was going, but usually they hold the sign up that says Lara, or they'll hold up the sign that says Palladium. So let's do a test and see how it is here in Cancun, me going to TRS Coral / Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres. So the guy said go to the right. Again, it's Terminal 4. Okay. Hey, how you doing? Good to see you. Thank you. All right. So there's Amstar. You know that. Got Kalido. They're a big name. Traffic tours. There's Amstar, Hayden family, Kalido, Ritz-Carlton, Harmon family. These guys. Reef, Frontier, traffic tours, Palladium.
They are usually over there, the lady in light blue shirt.
Thank you, my friend. See how nice these guys are? Lady in the light blue shirt. So I'm gonna come up here. Hey, how are you? Good to see you. Hi, are you traffic tours? Traffic tours, TRS Coral? Traffic tours? Traffic, hey.
Okay. Hi, sir.
All right.
How are you?